Declutter and Organize. Steps towards a relaxing environment. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a vital part of establishing a relaxing environment: organizing and decluttering. The weekend is a perfect time to create a space that allows you to recharge for the week ahead. Firstly, it's essential to understand why organizing and decluttering matters. When your space is clutter-free and well-organized, it's easier to relax. You're not constantly reminded of tasks to be done or distracted by objects out of place. It creates a serene environment, conducive to recharging your energy. So remember, a tidy space reflects a calm mind. Decluttering involves removing unnecessary items from an area. Start by identifying what you don't need or use anymore. Ask yourself, have I used this in the last 6 months? Will I need it in the next 6? If the answer to both is no, it might be time to part ways. Be systematic. Tackle one area at a time. For example, focus on your desk, then your bookshelf, etc. It's a process, not a one-time event, so don't rush. Remember to recycle, donate, or responsibly dispose of items you no longer need. Now, let's discuss organizing. After decluttering, assign a specific place for each item. Use storage solutions like boxes, baskets, or shelves to help. Keep similar items together, so you know exactly where to find them. Maintaining your organization system is as crucial as setting it up. Develop a routine to keep everything in its place. Make sure to spend a few minutes each day tidying up to prevent clutter from building up again. Organizing and decluttering doesn't mean your space has to be minimalistic, unless you want it to be. It's important to keep items that bring you joy and add character to your space. A photo frame, a favorite book, a piece of art, personal touches make your space truly yours and create a relaxing environment. That brings us to the end of our lesson on organizing and decluttering. With these tips, we hope you can create a serene and welcoming space that helps you relax and recharge for the week ahead. Remember, your environment plays a significant role in your well-being, so take time to cultivate a space that supports you. Happy organizing and decluttering. Until next time, keep learning and improving.